We welcome Professor Foskett to the world's greatest culinary competition.
My name is David Foskett. I am the chair of the International Hospitality Council and chair of the Young Chef Olympiad 2019, the biggest and greatest competition in the world, held in the wonderful country of incredible India. It is not just a competition, it is a celebration of culture, of friendship and unity through the medium of food. I do urge you to come celebrate with us. The future looks bright. The future is with us in India.